Good morning to one and all. Before we start today's prize distribution or award ceremony, I request everyone to kindly join your hands and close your eyes. We will have a short prayer. After that, we will start with today's ceremony. All the students, kindly close your eyes. Close your eyes, everyone. All right. Almighty Father, today the entire morning shift has gathered here for a very eventful day. We have the award ceremony for which I request your presence and your guidance over here on top of everyone, including all our children, all our teachers, the management, the administration and everyone present here. I request you to bestow your graces upon each one of us. Especially today's day is for our winners who have worked hard throughout the day, throughout the year, and they have won prizes and laurels for the school and for their family. I request you to grace them with your guidance so that they can be as a motivation to the other children who are present. May they take part in the upcoming session, the different competitions that are going to come. May your presence be for them, with them throughout their life. Amen. Everyone, kindly open your eyes, put your hands down, hands at the back. All right. Good morning to one and all. Today we have gathered here for the award distribution ceremony for the session 2024-25. To give away the prizes, we have our esteemed guests all around the multi-purpose hall, but a special round of applause for our Secretary Sir, Mr. Vijay Kumar Gupta. The Vice Principal of the day shift, Mr. Todd Frederick Watt, sir. I request you to come on the stage, please. All our teachers and all my lovely students. Let us now begin with the award ceremony. Alright, with the same enthusiasm, first up we have the results of the Inter-House Drawing Competition 2024-25. For Standard 1, I request our Secretary Sir to kindly give away the prizes. For Standard 1, the first prize goes to Aratrika Ghosh 1B. Second prize goes to Vishnu Deyasi 1B.
To escort the winners, I call Arpita and Lynette to come with the students to bring the winners up on stage and then again take them down. Okay? Please escort the students, the winners, when they are coming up and then going down.
And third prize goes to Aryan Sarkar 1A. A huge round of applause for all our winners. Second prize, Jishnu Deyasi. Jishnu Deyasi 1B. A huge round of applause for the second prize winner. Thank you, Vishnu. The third prize goes to Aryan Sarkar 1A. A huge round of applause for Aryan. Thank you, Aryan. For Standard 2, the first prize for the drawing competition goes to Avigna Jana, Class 2E. Avigna Jana 2E, first prize. Huge round of applause for Avigna. The second prize goes to Inaya Malik, Class 2C. Inaya Malik, Class 2C, second prize for the drawing competition. The third prize, we have Kaushani Dev, Class 2B. Thank you, Secretary Sir. I would now like to request our Day Shift Vice Principal, Mr. Troy Sir, to kindly give away the rest prizes. For Standard 3, the first prize goes to Aratrika Mandal of Class 3B. Huge round of applause for Aratrika. Thank you. The second prize goes to Arya Vedya, Class 3C. Arya Vedya, Class 3C, gets the second prize. The third prize goes to Kaushali Sarkar, Class 3C again. Huge round of applause for Kaushali for the third prize. For the category of Class 4, first prize goes to Arshi Pal, 4D. She is sharing the first prize with Oishi Bhattacharya of 4F. Oishi Bhattacharya of 4F also shares the first prize. Thank you. We have again two second prizes. The second prize for the drawing competition in the category of Class 4 goes to Pratyusha Das, 4C. And she shares the second prize with Aditya De of 4D. For the set of third prizes, the third prize goes to Adya Madhu, Class 4B. And she shares the third prize with Jinita Sen of 4E. I think she is absent today. Alright, we move forward. Thank you, sir, for giving away the prizes. For the result of the Inter-House English Elocution Competition.
To give away the prizes, I call the Morning Shift Vice Principal Gigi George. The first prize goes to Arohi Day of 3D Blue House. The Inter-House English Elocution Competition. Arohi Day. For the second prize, Adrija Day of Standard 3B, Greenhouse. For the third prize, Shreya Sen of 3A, Yellow House. We have one more third prize for the elocution competition. Aratrika Mandal of 3B Yellow House. Coming up for the Standard 4, the winners of the Inter-House Elocution competition. Thank you, ma'am. I call upon Pallavi Bose to give away the prizes. for the next set of students. The first prize in standard 4 goes to Barnita Das, standard 4F, Greenhouse.
Thank you, sir, for taking over. The second prize goes to Aditri Adhikari of 4E, Greenhouse. The third prize goes to Siddhita Bhattacharya of 4C, Blue House. A huge round of applause for our English elocution competition winners.
Care must be taken for all the students. If any student feels uneasy, the class teachers or the teachers, the aunties are requested to make the students sit by the side, okay? All the class teachers must take care of the students. No one, if any student feels uneasy, they should be immediately taken by the side and make them sit. Okay, is it clear? And be between the students. I request everyone to be between the students.
Next up, we have the results of the inter-house quiz competition for the group A for standard 3 and 4. To give away the prizes, may I call upon the set of teachers. Arpita Marandi to give away the prize for the first prize, Lynette ma'am for the second prize, and Surita Mehti for the third prize. Kindly come up on the stage quickly. This competition was in groups of 2. So for the first prize, we have the winner Blue House, which consisted of Saunabh Kumar 3B and Divya Jyoti Roy 4C. Kindly come up on stage, please. First prize, Saunabh Kumar 3B, Divya Jyoti Roy of 4C, Blue House. I can't hear any applauses for your Blue House. Thank you, ma'am. For the second prize, I call upon Lynette ma'am, and the winner was the Green House, consisting of 2 winners, Imon Mandal of 3C and Barnita Das of 4F. Kindly come up on stage, please. A round of applause for the Green House. Third prize was for the Red House, which was won by Mohit Mitra of 3D and Aranya Datta of 4D. Kindly come up on the stage, please. Third prize to be given away by Ms. Surita Mehti. A huge round of applause for the Red House, please. Thank you, ma'am. Next set of prizes is the results of inter-house spelling competition. For the morning shift, first we go on with standard 1. For this, I request Ms. Swarnali ma'am to kindly come up on stage. Alright, in the category of Standard 1, the first prize is won by Antarit Mukhopadhyay, Class 1F. The first prize to Antarit Mukhopadhyay of Class 1F belongs to the Yellow House. The second prize is shared by two. First we call on Aranya Goswami of 1D, Red House. Aranya Goswami. Swarnali ma'am, please give away the prizes. The second prize is also shared by Jishnu Tyasi of 1B, Blue House. The third prize is won by Aratrika Ghosh of 1B, Greenhouse. Thank you, Swarnali ma'am. Next, I call upon Shrumoy ma'am to kindly give away the prizes for Standard 2. Shrumoy ma'am, request you to kindly come up on stage. For the category of Standard 2 for inter-house spelling competition, the first prize goes to Adrish Datta of Class 2D, Greenhouse. Looks like the hands are paining. Second house goes to Ritubash Konar of 2B, Red House. The third prize goes to Siman Molla of 2C, Yellow House.
Students, I find students are running at the back. The aunties make sure that they bring the students from the toilet when they are going to the washroom. প্রশান্ত একবার দেখো পেছনে অনেক বাচ্চা যাচ্ছে বাট আসছে কিনা এটা দেখো ক্লাসে কেউ না যায়।
Thank you, Shrumoy ma'am. For the Standard 3, I would like to call upon Seema Paul ma'am to kindly come up on stage. In the category of Standard 3, the first prize was bagged by Sohardya Mandal of 3B, Yellow House. Looks like our students have lost their energy. I can't hear you at all. The second prize was won by Abhilash Maji of 3E, Greenhouse. Third prize to Rishita Chaudhary of 3D, Yellow House. Thank you, Seema ma'am. I would now like to call upon for Keshav sir. The first prize goes to Bernita Das of 4F Greenhouse. Second prize goes to Avigyan Chaudhary of 4C Yellow House. We have two third prizes, Aradhya Saha of 4B Greenhouse. She shares the third prize with Preetu Dev of 4B Blue House. Thank you, sir. Next, we have the results of the group recital competition 2024-25. We had three groups. Group A, nursery, Group B, LKG, and Group C, UKG. Now, I think everyone should remain quiet to listen to what the prizes were like. For Group A, the first prize goes to Nursery B, Miss Aditi Guha and her class. I request the class teacher to kindly bring up 5 children from your classes and come up on the stage, please. I request the class teachers to kindly arrange your sections accordingly. Nursery B along with 5 student representatives. Please come up on stage. I request everyone to give a huge round of applause. Alright, you can line up and go. The runner-up was won by Nursery A, Miss Pallavi Bose and her class. I request Miss Pallavi Bose to kindly come up on stage with 5 student representatives.
To give away this prize, I call Sangeeta Karmakar to please come up on stage. Sangeeta Karmakar, ma'am, please come up on stage to give this prize.
A huge round of applause for Nursery B. Here we come to the end of Group A. Let us quickly move to Group B, which was the category of LKG. The first prize was won by LKG A. The class teacher is Miss Arpita Marande. I request the class teacher to kindly come up on stage with 5 student representatives. A huge round of applause for LKGA. For the runners-up, we have LKGB. The class teacher is Ms. Anisha Das. I request the class teacher to kindly come up on stage with 5 student representatives.
To give away this prize, I call Priyasha to give away this prize.
A huge round of applause for LKGB. Thank you. Let's move to Group C, consisting of the 5 sections of UKG. And the first prize is backed by UKGD. The class teacher is Ms. Imrani Ghosh. And I call upon the class teacher to kindly come up with 5 student representatives.
To give away the prize, I call Debrina ma'am to please come up and give the prize to the students along with the class teacher.
A huge round of applause for LKGB. Sorry, UKGB. Second prize was backed by UKGA. The class teacher is Ms. Lilith Manuel. I request the class teacher to kindly come up with 5 student representatives.
Sir.
A huge round of applause for UKGA. The third prize is backed by UKGB. The class teacher is Ms. Pallavi Shaw. I request you to kindly come up with 5 student representatives.
To give away this prize, I call Majnu to present the third prize to the students and the teacher. Majnu, please come up.
A huge round of applause for UKGB. Thus we come to the end. To the prize distribution ceremony. I would now request our Secretary Sir, Mr. Vivek Kumar Gupta, to kindly come up and give away the vote of thanks.
Okay, students, are you here? Yes or no? I has not got the awards and the prizes. And it's impossible, next to impossible. Only winners deserve the prizes, the rest will not get the prizes. Is it right? Right or wrong? But then also, everyone has participated in more or less every event throughout the session 2024 and 25. I congratulate you and thank you from the core of my heart and from the side of the management that at least you participated and tried from your endeavor. Thank you so much, all the participants and all the students for different competitions that you participated. And of course the winners, they deserve the round of applause. So one big round of applause for all the winners of different competitions. I would also like to thank all the class teachers, the subject teachers, everyone of the morning shift, the co-curricular coordinator Srimani, and the morning vice principal Gigi George for conducting all the co-curricular activities, the competitions throughout the year in a very smooth manner. So once again, a big round of applause for all the teachers, the vice principal, and the co-curricular coordinators. Also, nevertheless, all the associates also, and all the mentoring staff and the aunties also for the great work in each and every work, in each and every corporate activity, competition. Each and every associate, each and every auntie, everyone, the staff member are also part of that program and the competition. So they also deserve a big round of applause. So thank you students, thank you for life. Nursery to standard 4. Thanks to all the teachers, the class teachers and the subject teachers, everyone. Thanks to the morning vice principal and the day vice principal. Thanks to Keshav Chandra Bose, Amit Chakravarti, Subhendu Rupa, Games Instructor Sir, thanks to Shiv Sir and all the associates, and of course all the aunties and the staff members of St. Paul's Academy. So thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. I request all the students to kindly stand in your respective class lines. All the students are requested to kindly join your lines. I request everyone to kindly stand in attention. Keshav sir, kindly give away the command. We will all stand in attention for the national anthem before we disperse.
School, Spanish. School, attention.
Class 1.
Students, get ready for the national anthem. 1, wait a minute, come on.
Quiet.
1, 2, 3, start.
जय गण गणाधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा हिंद हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय जय